Hi, you're welcome to class. My name is Rachael Naabon. So I'm going to be your coach in this section. So we are still on social media, and the next is how to generate ideas, content ideas. Hmm. This is where a lot of persons give up on content creation or anything in social media, right? Because generating content is no one's mate. All right. So I'm going to give you some of the tricks I use in generating content ideas. And with this, you can generate content ideas for a month. Remember, I'm going to teach you how to schedule your post, right? So you can generate content ideas and be consistent on your page for months, and you won't fall into creators block. There's what is called creators block. Creators block is when you're at the point in your life as a content creator when you don't even know what to post. Yes, that's what creators block is. So you won't fall there if you follow the strategies I'm going to teach you. All right, so number one, AI has made it easier. So some years back, or should I say early last year, I wasn't using AI to generate content ideas. But now AI makes it very easier. And the one I will even advise you to use is Chat GTP. Right? With Chat GTP, you can generate content idea for any niche at all. I don't know if I mentioned niche. So niche is a particular how will I even explain it? The particular how where you find yourself, the kind of brand you find yourself, the aspect you find yourself, the kind of content creation you find yourself doing. So you could be in the food niche, you could be in the lifestyle niche. Food niche, you talk about anything food, either cooking or preparing or presentation of food, anything food. You could be in fashion. Fashion could be making clothes, just doing fashion haul, trying on clothes, selling clothes, anything relating to fashion, right? Clothes and fashion accessories. So that's where fashion falls. You could also be in family, where you talk about family, everything family. You could be your niche could be about faith, where you talk about religion, either Islamic religion, traditional religion, or Christianity. So whichever niche you find yourself, you can generate content ideas using ChatGTP. And I'm going to show you how to use ChatGTP right away. So the AI tool that we'll be using is ChatGTP. So you go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, whatever store you download from. Just go there and type ChatGTP. Okay, so this is the symbol. Let me bring it where you see Chat GPT. The symbol is white and black. So I'll go ahead and click on it. Once you download it, you can sign in with your email address, right? So you just go ahead. It's more like chat, just like the way you chat on WhatsApp and other platform. So you go ahead and type a message what you want. You can also use the mic to do to say what you want. So let's say you want to generate content for your Instagram page, your business page. Let's say I want caption for my glasses. All right, so I'll go ahead and type Instagram caption for Blu-ray blocking glasses. So I'll go on and send. So you see, so it just brought a short caption for me. So let's say I also want this caption for my Facebook. I'll go ahead and copy what I've sent before and still type it. Facebook caption for Blu-ray blocking glasses. I'll go ahead and send. So these understand how the various platform want. If you want a long caption, it will give you a long caption. If you want a short caption, it will give you a short caption. So now that you have your caption, you go ahead and copy it and paste it in your notes. Then you edit it. because some of these things you have to edit it to suit your product, to suit your brand. So still talking about how to generate content ideas. Let's say I want to write a YouTube script on how to sell on social media. I'll go ahead and type it. Write a YouTube script on how to sell on social media. Yeah, go ahead and send it. It's just more like a chat. You're giving a command and you're getting results for your command. Okay, let's say, let me try again. This could happen as a result of poor network. I think my network is slow. Okay, so let's wait for the results. So remember where we started from. We started from write a YouTube script on how to sell on social media. So we started with text on screen, how to sell on social media, tips and strategies for success. Just like the way we YouTubers do it. We started with, hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into hot topic, how to sell on social media, whether you are a business owner. So you see these things, this makes content creation easier this period, because you can have all your scripts written for you by AI tools, right? So it's even shared it into segments, understanding the platform. These are the various way you can sell on social media. Create engaging content, which is what we are talking about. Utilize paid adverts and engage with your audience, right? So this is what we are talking about. Tools like this help you generate ideas. So even if you don't know what to say, you can just go ahead and click and type content ideas for your brand. So you can put content ideas for let me say food vendor. So with this we have emergency, a lot of content ideas. Where did we start from? Always check the last chat you sent. So content ideas for food vendors. See a lot of content idea, daily specials, behind the scenes, even giving you examples of what to do. So with this, you don't even need so much to generate content. See all the content ideas. This can serve you for months. So if you work with this, it's really going to help. So this is how this works. So you can always find out what you've searched for using this right hand. You look at the left side, the toolbar at the top, so you can click on it and see history of what you've done. So after you've done this, once you get your idea, once you get your result, you can copy everything and paste it somewhere. Then you edit, collect what you want and delete the rest. So this is how chat gpt works. You can use it for anything. You can use it to write a letter, you can use it to write your profile, you can use it to write anything at all. Just play with it. The second way you can generate content ideas is watching other people. So Brian mentioned in the previous class that you should fish on other people's content. Yes, you can get ideas from other people's contents. They're not your competitors, like those you admire, right? I'm not saying you should go and copy and paste their content. Be creative. So you can get a particular idea. You can get a particular idea about how someone is presenting their stuff, and you decide to recreate it in your own. In YouTube voice, YouTube will say, yes, everyone might be creating the same thing, everyone might be in the same niche, but the difference between everybody is the you in the tube. That's why we have YouTube. So the way you present it is unique. The way you present it is different from how I present it. Even if you want to talk like me, there is a way you can present your speech and it won't sound like me. No matter how you copy, you can't copy everything about me. So everyone is unique. Your presentation is unique, your sense of ideas are unique too. So even while you're copying, be creative, add the you, present it the way Joyce will present it the way Favor will present it, even if you are a top fan of Rachel. So you watch other people and get content ideas from there. You can also use browsers to get ideas. There is something that Google has that is called Google Trends, right? So you can go there and get content ideas. If you search Google Trends, you search things about your niche, you see questions people are asking about your niche, see questions people are asking about your niche, see questions people are asking about your product. You can create content out of those questions. That is how you get content ideas. You can as well go to YouTube or TikTok and search for anything about your niche. Let's say you are a coach and you want to ask, how do they do this? You get it. How to prepare this meal, you get it. So when you see how they do how the idea goes, you can come up and create yours. With that, you don't run into creators block. So these are few ways you can get or generate content ideas for your brand.